everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It is Monday, April 25th at 8:42 p.m. and this is management of the stock watch list for the week of April 25th, 2011. We'll start with Pay Verifone Systems. There was a trigger on this Friday, but we took the trigger off for Monday. Why? Just didn't like the way it was looking here. I wanted to give it one more day, but obviously that was the wrong move as it broke out. And not only did it trigger, it would have got to the move stops point already, but that's fine. I mean, I can't have regrets for missing trades. It's something that I've worked on for a long time to brush away those regrets, because a lot of times I would just fester with missing this, or I can't believe I took my eye off of this, or whatever. So anyway, this one's off the list. There'll be no trigger on this one for now. And that's the way it is. Let's look at a couple more, and then we have a couple more to add too. Here's ALJ, Alon USA Energy. This triggered, closed down 23 cents from the entry. Still using the 1341 stop. Did not get a chance to move stops. Looking to move stops at $14.91. Take half off plus $1.10, which is $15.61. And this is a half unit trade. CHBT had a nice day, up 6.5%. Did not get to our half off point. Still watching 934 for half off. Stops are obviously break even, as you can see where it closed, so it traded above 867. So we're going to watch half off at 934, and then we're going to see what it does with this 50-day moving average. SWSH, no trigger. Hit the stop before it hit the entry, so this one was canceled. We're going to keep this on the list, but there is no trigger on this. I don't care if it goes up to 25 tomorrow, okay. Right, there's no trigger on this one. All right, we're taking the trigger off, but we're leaving the stock on the list to see if something sets up over the next few sessions. And MCP, Molly Corp, did okay. 71.49 entry, 67.49 stop. We moved stops to entry after a $1 gain, which it got. Now we're looking to take half off at $75.99. Half off at $75.99. At that point, we'll look to trail stops, and we'll trail them once it hits $75.99. We'll trail it to $74.79 on the remaining. That's after the first target up here, $75.99. First profit target is achieved. Okay, let's look at a couple new ones. Oops, Google, I gave it away. Google. Okay, now Google had the sharp gap, the impulse to the downside. It's now in a continuation pattern known as a pennant. We squeeze it up here. We see we're sitting right on the 62% retracement of this swing up. So based on the fib grids, the next target would be down here somewhere in the 488s. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking at a 521.90 entry, a 527.11 stop. So it's just better than a $5 stop. 3-point gain move stops to break even. We're looking half off plus 6, a quarter off plus 15, and a quarter off plus 30. So half will be plus 6. That'll lock in at least something. And we'll look for a quarter off plus 15 and a quarter off plus 30. Now, the only problem I foresee with this trade is that even the short-term moving averages are so far away, the stock may want to get some comfort and run into resistance on those before it continues down. I mean, it could reverse from here and just scream higher, too. Okay, but wait for entry. Once again, if the stop is hit, okay, which is above these highs, if the stop is hit before the entry, cancel the trade. It's canceled, okay? That's Google. VRUS. I'm putting this on the list. There's no trigger on this one, but I'm going to watch this one. This one had a nasty down day, but it's been in a very strong uptrend. So this one may be for people that like to day trade. You may want to put this on your day trade list. There's no official triggers on this one. Just wanted to point it out. I thought it looked interesting. JP Morgan. Okay, JP Morgan appears to be in a bit of a stealth bear flag here. Looking for this one to tag the 200-day moving average down here. So we're looking at a 44.37 entry. 37 entry. We're going to use a $2 stop. 2-point stop. Move stops to entry. Okay, I'm going to have to move that. After just looking for 60 cents, that's all, to move stops. And then we're going to take half off plus 2. Okay, that's what we're looking at on this one. So this is JP Morgan. Let me clean it up a little bit. 44.37 entry. 2-point stop. And this is a short side entry, by the way. Okay, move stops to entry after 60-cent gain. And then half off plus 2. JP Morgan. All right. Then finally, IRM. Okay, IRM, another one, really nice, strong move to the upside, and then boom. Okay, this is an ugly candle, followed by another not so nice candle, and then Monday, a little green sprout here. So this one we're looking at a 31.85 entry. 31.85 entry. 31.15 stop. Whoa, hear my voice there. Move stops to break even after 35-cent gain. Half off. Gonna go half off plus 1. And then half, oops. And a quarter off plus 2. And then let's look at this high up here. Okay, which is 35.50. So let's go drawing text and a quarter off 3. Let's do 3.15. Okay, so that would be 35 on the nose, and you can see the high up here is 35.50. So giving it 50 cents. All right, now the other thing about this is it is a half unit trade. So if it stops out, only counts as a half unit loss, and if it hits the risk amount, it would be a half unit gain. That's why we're looking for a little bit more than the risk amount, so it would be like 3/4 of a unit gain on the first half, and then a quarter and another quarter. So this one has the potential if it can rebound, but if not, and because this was such a sharp move to the downside, that's the reason for the half unit trade. Okay, talk to everybody again tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Tuesday.